Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be unboxing the Allure for the month of August. Let's get started. I already took the plastic wrap off and I watched a couple of reviews to see what's in there, so let's see. Okay, and Allure is now, I believe, I got an email saying that the price is going to go up now. So the pamphlet this month has this lady on it and tells us about the products as far as from the editors of the magazine and the company. So it looks like there's some pretty good stuff in here this month just from here. So let's get started. The first thing that I see is an aspirin, what? Okay. Brightening Lift Up Perfect Face Mask. Oops. And the back is in Korean, so I have no idea what that says. Let's see. The price is $3. So it's by Looks in May, Brightening Lift Up Perfect Fit Mask. This lady says, one of my major skincare products during the isolation period has been working through my huge collection of sheet masks. The mask is made of a super stretchy material that keeps it from sliding, which is super nice because I just did one today and it was sliding all over my face. I'm like, oh my God. So this is $3 and that is for a perfect fit face mask. The next thing that I'm seeing, ooh wee, perfect. It is a full size, which Allure comes with some deluxe and full size along with some sample stuff sometimes. It just kind of depends. Honestly, I don't think I've received a bad box from them. I always love them. This product is from Pixi. This is a rose oil blend. Rose and pomegranate oil. It comes with a little dropper. Nourishing face oil. I have oily skin, so I might just pass this along. It's by Pixi. There's what, it's beautiful packaging. Nothing against it, but I will definitely, I mean, I could use it in the winter time, but you know, I don't know. I've already got a lot of oils going on here. I don't need to pay for it. But about this, it retails for $24. This oil has quickly become one of my favorite multitasking products. It's made up of hydrating oil, sweet almond, orange peel, pomegranate seed, jojoba, and its namesake, rose geranium oil. For the record, I'm not the biggest fan of how rose smells, but here the flowery scent is subtle and smooth. I didn't even think about that. I don't like that fake rose smell. I can't handle that. I love the smell of real flowers, but let's see. Let's see what we got. I kind of feel bad opening it because I'm not going to use it, but it's rosy. No. I will put this in a future giveaway. Yes, I will. I'm not going to use that. But Pixi Skin Treats, $24. Voila. The next thing that I'm pulling out is going to be H2O Hydration Sensitive Gel Cream Moisturizer. And generally, this is the type of moisturizer, because of my oily skin, gel is what I tend to gravitate towards. They work better, especially on my, oily skin. It's just a little 0.34 fluid ounce, 10 mils. I'll be interested to try this. It's got immuno infusions, a powerful synergetic blend with triple strength. Maintain optimum hydration levels. So that's that. Let's see how much that one is. Wish Botanical Primer. No, that's not it. Sorry. Where is that? Is that? Okay, that must be the bonus because it's not in here. So I don't know how much it is. I guess it doesn't matter. Oh, wait. Yes, it does. Hydration. It's in a... Okay. On here, you can see it's in a jar, so it threw me off. Okay, so the actual full-size product retails for $42. Chamomile tea has been my drink of choice lately. I'll take any source of calm I can get. Using this moisturizer is like pouring a cuppa for my stressed out skin. Not only has my oily skin been breaking out more than usual, but I've also been experimenting with acid toners and at-home peels. So this is another person that agrees that this is, the gel moisturizers are definitely the go-to when you have oily skin, and especially in the summertime. So, and then during high stress, obviously. So this is a good product. Happy to receive that. The second thing that I'm looking at is, now I don't know how to say this, so I'm going to go Sulwasu, okay? That is this tiny little guy here, and it is a First Care Activating Serum. And let's see, it's a 0.27 fluid ounces, which is 8 mils. Just a little guy. Oh, how cute is that? Look at that. This is a little guy. Just little. I don't know what it does. Let's see. Oh, let's see. It smells like product, but let's see. Is it gonna help? Put it on there. Let's see what it does. Okay, this is activating serum. When I started getting serious about skincare, I expanded my then 3-step routine that didn't include sunscreen. Yikes. Oh. Okay, so the ingredients work together to hydrate, brighten, and firm the skin. This retails for $84. The full size, which obviously this is not. You can get it on Sephora.com. So I guess if this is good, I will not be repurchasing it regardless, because I'm not going to spend $84. I'm just not going to do it. But I'm excited to try this. I like expensive skincare products. Absolutely. Do I need them? Yes, I do. And do I love to reap the benefits? Yes, I do. But I will let you know what I think about this, and I will give it a try. Let me know if you see during this video, if you see some wrinkles just disappearing before your eyes. It'd be crazy. All right. And the next thing we see in here is floss. Brighten Up Highlighter Illuminator. Is this floss? No. It's called floss. I thought it was real dental floss. Is it? No, it's a highlight. Okay, so it's nice and shiny. It's sunlit. I don't use this stuff because I already have shine going on. So I will also put this in a future giveaway. Let's see if we can find out a little bit about this product that I thought was literally dental floss. It retails for $20, and it is a shimmery but not like a glued glitter directly on the face. It's a pressed powder highlighter, creates a chic glow. One pass delivers a barely there glow that's perfect for daily wear, and I just repeat the process for a highlight with slightly more impact. So it's like a subtle gold. So it retails for $20. Like I said, I'll put this and this in a future giveaway. So let's try to get the subscribers up there, and y'all can get some products. So the almost last thing in the box is Wish Botanical Primer with Bakui oil. Skin balancing, reduces environmental stress. All right, so there's that. I don't tend to gravitate towards Wish products. I'm just going to be honest with you. But I did look at the reviews for this at one point. I way back when another product of theirs was getting some high reviews. This is supposed to be really good, but I just didn't bite the bullet and try it. So anyhow, let's see how much this is. It is, by the way, 22 mils. It's 0.75 fluid ounces, and it looks like retails for $44. Right off the bat, I knew this primer was different because in addition to argan oil and aloe, it contains bakuchi oil. a gentler, natural alternative to retinol. On the day that I decided to give it a test drive, my skin was looking especially dry. See, I'm just not going to have that problem. But a few minutes after applying this creamy primer, my dry spots were smooth. Blurring formula faded the red blotches on my chin and cheeks and my pores, even the large ones around my nose, had all but disappeared. Ultimately, this primer makes it so you need less makeup. Most days, though, I've been wearing it on its own as an extra layer of moisture that hides any imperfections. So I can't say that I'll give this a try just because it sounds oily and greasy to me, and I already have that going on. So, I don't know. I'll think about it. If not, it'll be in a future giveaway. But anyways, it retails for $44. So there's that. The last thing in the box is, I don't know what this is. It is the famous black soap Sea Mud Deep Cleansing Bar. I don't tend to gravitate towards bar soaps just because I feel like there's bacteria and it sits and I'm kind of weird. But who knows? Let's see. Okay. The Erno Laszlo Sea Mud Deep Cleansing Bar. Adam and Eve were given every pleasure in the world and still wanted more, so I suppose it's in our DNA not to fully appreciate perfectly good things. Alright, so this retails for $38 for a bar of soap. I can't. I just can't. So, yeah. After he rinsed his skin, he felt that he had gotten through a thorough cleanse and he could feel the wind in his pores. I better feel something for $38 for a bar of soap. Okay. Alright, guys. This has been an awesome box. I love my Allure. So I'm not trying to be negative, honestly. I'm not. I love my box. I love my products. I'm just saying sometimes it's just like, really, guys? It's a bar of soap for $38. What's in this? What is it? So anyways, that is the August Allure. Let's do a recap. We have our bar of soap. We have our floss highlighter. We have our Pixie Skin Treats Rose Oil blend. We have our gel moisturizer. I am very, very excited to try this. And I'm also excited to try this. The Solwasu. These two. And this I'm kind of like, meh. I don't know. I'll think about it. And then, of course, who doesn't love a good sheet mask? So, I mean, all in all, 3 things out of 7 total items for, what is it, $15 a month? They are going to go up. I believe it's $22 or something like that. But you know what? I still love Allure. They still do a great job at curating their boxes. I love skincare. Do I always love everything in the box? No, but it's for giveaways or pass it on to somebody else. I mean, that's the upswing of things. Honestly, on a scale of 1 to 10 of my satisfaction, I would probably say I'm about an 8. I mean, I'm not mad about it. I definitely got my money's worth. I'm not mad. So, until next time, hit that subscribe and click the bell for future notifications. And keep coming back for more sweet unboxings.